Every day, your mind is slowly getting weaker. Not because you're lazy, but because the world is training you to avoid thinking. Think about it. When was the last time you sat in silence, without your phone, music, or TV? Your brain is overloaded, but underused. Your mind is like a muscle, but instead of lifting, you're scrolling. Every swipe teaches your brain to expect instant rewards. Zero effort, zero depth. Here's how to rebuild your mental strength. Digital fasting. Go 30 minutes daily with no tech. Deep reading. Read 1 page a day without distraction. Think time. Sit alone with your thoughts for 10 minutes. No phone, no music. You don't need to become a genius. You just need to start using your mind again. If this helped, subscribe and hit the bell for more mindset fuel. Remember, the greatest journey always begins within.